So that's about as good as I can get it to close without it hitting itself. So it's binding. It hits here and here. This little bracket does a little L or a little Z, and it hits there to there. It's already down as far as it can go. We've already put spacers behind there to bring it out to try and get the front down. But why does that hit? Hit. Hit. And the ball, we need to go down more. The ball was hitting here. We couldn't go down anymore. We've already put spacers there, and we even put spacers there to try and get the front down. Not happening. So hits here, hits here. Maybe put those back on.